How to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your Instagram and head over to your profile section on your bottom right corner. And then as you can see, there are highlights over here. Open the highlight and then tap on more. Then what you can do is tap on edit highlight, or in order to hide story highlights from someone, go to this menu bar, go to settings and privacy, and then over here search for story settings. As you can see it over here, hide story and live, and tap on hide story and live and search the person you want to hide from. Select them and they will not be able to see your story highlights on Instagram. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.